Today, I'll show you how to merge the C and D drives on Windows without losing data. Let's get started. Before merging drives, move all important files from the D drive to an external drive or a folder on the C drive. This process will combine space from D into C. D will no longer exist as a separate partition. Right-click on this PC. Select Manage. In the left panel, click on Disk Management. In Disk Management, locate the D drive. Right-click on the D drive and select Delete Volume. Confirm the deletion. Reminder, this will erase all data on the D drive, so ensure backups are done. Right-click on the C drive. Select Extend Volume. Follow the wizard, click Next. Select the unallocated space, previously D. Click Finish. Go back to File Explorer and check the C drive under this PC. Confirm the combined storage space of C and D. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Tips, and share it with friends. Stay tuned for more tech tips.